This assessment asks us to classify this molecule as aromatic, anti-aromatic, or non-aromatic. It is a cyclic molecule, it is planar, and it is fully conjugated. We need to look at the number of pi electrons to decide if this molecule is aromatic or anti-aromatic. There are 3 pi bonds, each containing 2 electrons. That's 6 total pi electrons contained in the pi bonds. Oxygen has a lone pair of electrons. However, that lone pair of electrons is in an sp2 hybridized orbital. It is not in a p orbital, it is not involved in conjugation, and it is not involved in making this molecule either aromatic or anti-aromatic. So the total number of pi electrons for this molecule then is 6. There are 6 pi electrons in this molecule. We can plug that into our equation. 4n plus 2 equals 6 pi electrons. 4n equals 4, n equals 1. This molecule does satisfy the 4n plus 2 equation, so yes, this molecule is an aromatic molecule.